Jai Hind, dear students. In today's video, I will be discussing about the coastal plains. From the name only, the coastal plain means it is a plain area which is beside the coast area, means near to the sea. In our previous classes, we have discussed about the northern plain. Basically, plains are very fertile area because in the plains area many rivers are flowing and they have made the area very fertile. So now let's study the coastal plains which are located in the peninsular India, starting with the western coastal plains. The western coastal plains is located near the Western Ghat and it is sandwiched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. So this area is the western coastal plains. It is starting from the mouth of Tapi river and it is extended up to Kanyakumari. So this whole area is known as the western coastal plain. Now divisions of this western coastal plains. This whole western coastal plain, it can be divided into three. The area from Tapi river to Goa, this is known as the Konkan coastal plain. The area from Goa to Mangalore in Karnataka, this is known as the Kannad plain, and from Mangalore to Kanyakumari, it is known as the Malabar plains. So these are the three divisions of the coastal plains of the western side. Now let's study about the eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. So this area is known as the eastern coastal plains, and this eastern coastal plain, it is divided into two. From Kanyakumari to Godavari river, this area is known as the Coromandel coast, and this area is also known as the Coromandel plains. And from Godavari river to the Mahanadi river, this area is known as the northern Sarkas. One important difference between the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain is that the eastern coastal plain, it is more wider compared to the western coastal plain. And in this eastern coastal plain in Andhra Pradesh, it is a very fertile area because here many rivers like the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are flowing, and they have made this area very fertile area. That is the reason Andhra Pradesh is one of the leading producer of rice in India. Now one of the important feature of this eastern coastal plain is here on the south of Mahanadi river, you will find here Lake Chilka. Lake Chilka is one of the important physical feature which is present in the eastern coastal plain and the largest saltwater lake of India. So dear students, today we have discussed about the coastal plains of India. In our upcoming videos, we will be discussing about the island groups. Till then, take care, thank you and Jai Hind.